Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So creating an AI influencer with OpenArt means building a consistent digital character, generating content around it and turning it into a recognizable online persona. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to create an AI influencer on OpenArt in 2026, strategic and scalable. Okay, so first thing first, define your influencer concept. So before using OpenArt, choose niche like fitness, fashion, motivation, technology, like define personality, style, audience, for example, confidence or confidence fitness girl with minimalist of the aesthetic. Okay, so create your AI character now. So go to OpenArt image generator. Okay, write a detailed prompt. Okay, like for example, like I will show you realistic female influencer 22 years old, natural lighting, Instagram style, confident pose, modern fashion. Okay, so after that, generate multiple versions, pick one based identity, save your prompt and lock on, like always reuse the same prompt, add details like hair, outfit style, background. Okay, because consistency builds recognition. So after that, generate content. Okay, so create posts like selfie style images, lifestyle scenes, outfit shorts. For example, like we have some example prompts for that, like this. Okay, selfie in mirror, gym outfit, natural lighting. Okay, so and you can also, for example, like very or many examples, walking in city, casual fashion, cinematic look. Okay, and that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.